welcome back to my channel. Subscribe, hit the notification. Today, we're again back. My mom got a new car. So, in the last video, we did spicy food gummy challenge, and tomorrow I think we are going to do a soup that's really hot. So yeah. So today we're going to do like, I really want to, like, how's it called? Next video we're going to do, we're going to do spicy food challenge. We're going to. So guys, we're going to, I'll see you right now. Wait. So we're back. Now I'm in back of my car. My mom's car, I mean. So, look, you could tell that I'm in the back. So, today, we're going to, I have no idea what we're going to do today. My mom just said, pick up the camera, and yeah. So, I'll see you. Well, I won't see you because I'm right here. I'm right there. I'm at my grandpa's house again. I'm like, got my Starbucks again. So good. And last time I got a Polly Pocket. My cousin lost her Polly Pocket down here. I don't know if it's still there. Sorry guys, you can't see me that well. Okay, it's so hard to get her Polly Pocket. So yeah, they're like so far down. I can't get it. It's still hard. So, today, I have no idea what I'm going to do, but I just pulled up the camera, and let's do rock, paper, scissors. That's the only thing we can do. Rock. Oh wait, before we do that, the Game Master, he turned good again. Subscribe to Rebecca Zamolo. I really love to watch her, and yeah. So I'll see you right now. So we're back. I'm now in front of the car. So I don't really know what all of this, but yeah. So I really, in my dad's car, I like to drive. Sometimes he lets me drive. So, yeah. I really want to play Roblox. Let's see if it lets me.